Next up, battle plans, tier 1 shadow company. In this we need to dead drop 3 Konni battle notes and dead drop 3 cargo ship instructions. The Konni battle notes we'll find on Konni soldiers, which is the red balaclava wearing bots running around the map. You'll find them on every map, though Almazra seems to have the least population of them compared to other bots. As for cargo ship instructions, you'll find these on Ashika Island near the residential area as loose loot. Now for this, the absolute best thing I'd recommend doing is heading straight for the Tsuki Castle on Ashika Island, and of course the residential area just to the north of it. Going through these 2 locations in a single game, you could probably get this done in one go. It's super simple. On Ashika Island, in order to find the nodes, you'll need to head all the way up to the far northeast side of the map, near the residential area. I've spawned just next door to it, which is great. Right over here in the northeast. You'll find them as loose loot. So we've found our first bit of cargo shipping intel inside of this locked building here. So when you find one, you'll need to find your way to the nearest dead drop, and at least if you're in the Ashika Island residential area, there's always a dead drop really nearby, all the way on the far north section over here. Right over here, I'll go ahead and dead drop the cargo shipping instructions, and all we need to do is do that twice more, as well as with 3 Konni battle notes, which you'll find on those balaclava wearing bots. They do seem to have a very low spawn rate, so when you find them, you'll need to pick them up and carry them with you, as you'll probably be nowhere near a dead drop when you do find them. Konni battle notes, let's go! So you get the Konni battle notes from these higher level bots here. They're very angry. You'll probably find the highest concentration of them around Onishika Island near the Tsuki Castle. Also, a great place to find cargo shipping instructions is also the Tsuki Castle as well, so if you're looking for both of these, it's probably the best idea to come straight here. Alright, Konni battle notes. Bam. That is numero uno out of 3. And let's extract over there.
Give it 8. Thank you, sir.
Let's go, gamer. I got the last one. And there we go. Battle plans is now complete. So thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.